Believe it or not, that package of beef has quite the story to tell. Right now, it sits in the grocery store. But how did it get here? And what steps were taken to ensure its quality and freshness along the way? The answer is in its packaging. And we should know. Veritiv's food packaging solutions take your idea all the way through the manufacturing line and into the market. It all starts with a meeting of the minds. You bring your product and goals. We bring the expertise. Once we dial in on a solution, Veritiv design specialists get to work, configuring and testing custom packaging designs that interweave form and function. What started as a whiteboard idea has now been fully developed and is making its way down the production line. Packaging equipment has been implemented to automate the simpler tasks, saving on labor, improving throughput and production times. From the grinder, the beef is prepped and packaged into primary packaging. Then it's loaded into secondary packaging, along with a temperature-controlled solution to prevent spoilage. Lastly, the product is placed onto a pallet and expertly stretch-wrapped for its next stop, the delivery truck. Let's venture back to the store for that beef. As brand packaging experts, we know that packaging plays a key role in the buying process, so we've made sure to add compelling graphics to elevate the brand and messaging. Veritiv solutions don't stop at the point of purchase. To ensure a positive customer experience, we've made the packaging easy to open and dispose of once it's home, rounding out a total packaging solution.